you ready? No, you think you are? No, you're ready. That's just how you pull it up. Alright, so the goal is not to hold on.
Okay, the goal is not to lose my sunglasses.
No, we're not holding on. It's going to be the whole thing. Yeah. This is her first real coaster. Let's go! You can't hold on, alright? I'm gonna like do the whole ride.
I'm gonna try.
Yeah.
That's all like the back row.
Back row is the best! Let's go! Nice turn around the queue out here. About to go now. Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Where this ended right here, still vintage would have kept going. Yeah. That was pretty good.
That was good.
Yeah, that was good.
That's why I like how cool that girl.